Most business owners get this wrong. They spend money on ads, websites, and marketing, but make it difficult for customers to actually book a service. Here's the truth no one tells you. A simple online booking system can increase leads and save hours of back-and-forth phone calls every week. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to set up Jobber online booking in 2026, the settings that matter most, and how to avoid common mistakes that cost businesses customers. By the end, you'll be ready to accept bookings online with confidence. Let's get straight into it. Jobber online booking allows customers to request services directly through your website or booking page. Instead of calling, texting, or emailing, customers can choose a service, provide details, and submit a booking request online. The first step is selecting which services you want available for online booking. Imagine Alex owns a lawn care business. He might allow customers to book lawn mowing, hedge trimming, and seasonal cleanups online. Keeping the list focused makes the booking experience faster and easier. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They add every service they offer. Too many options can overwhelm customers and reduce conversions. Next, define your service areas. Make sure Jobber knows where you operate. If your company serves specific cities or zip codes, configure those areas correctly. This prevents requests from locations you don't actually service. That's a quick win that can save a lot of wasted time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can customize the questions customers answer during the booking process. For example, if Jake runs a landscaping company, he can ask for property size, project details, or preferred service dates. This helps qualify leads before his team even makes contact. The next step is setting availability preferences. Decide when customers can request appointments and how much scheduling flexibility you want. The goal is to balance customer convenience with operational control. In a minute, I'll show you the setup choice that can dramatically improve lead quality. Before publishing your booking page, review the customer experience. Open the booking form yourself and complete a test request. Check every screen. Make sure instructions are clear and easy to understand. Now here's the important part. Don't ask for unnecessary information. John owns an HVAC company and initially required customers to answer 10 different questions. After simplifying the form, booking requests increased because the process felt faster and easier. But here's the problem. Many businesses launch online booking and never monitor results. Review incoming requests regularly and identify where customers may be dropping off. Let's recap. Choose your services carefully, define your service area, customize booking questions, set availability rules, and test everything before going live. When configured correctly, Jobber online booking can make it easier for customers to contact you, and easier for your team to manage incoming work. If this guide helped you understand Jobber online booking, hit the like button, leave a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more Jobber tutorials, software reviews, and business growth tips.